Making sure you take your supplements and accelerators each day is a sure way to speed up your weight loss success. But that is just one component. Another very important component to accelerating your weight loss, or more specifically, body fat loss, and making it permanent, is through proper exercise. I think that the fundamentals have been drowned in an enormous mass of information out there. Most of it is great and can definitely help you, but there are major misconceptions about weight training and its weight gaining effects. We've been led to believe that aerobic exercise is a major key to weight loss. Common prescription for weight loss is walking, running, and other cardiovascular type exercises. You run to lose weight is the common thinking. While this may work in some cases, research has shown that aerobic exercise alone is not sufficient for weight loss or reduction of body fat. And why is that? Although you burn calories when training aerobically, you only burn a relatively small amount. For example, in a 30-minute jogging session, you may burn around 200 to 300 calories, depending on factors like body weight, especially muscle mass, age, intensity, and other things. Now, don't get me wrong, I'm in no way saying aerobic exercise has no value. Aerobic exercise has been shown in numerous scientific studies to reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease, prevent the onset of diabetes, and have many other benefits. But aerobic exercise alone is not the most efficient way to lose body fat. And again, science has proven that. When aerobic exercise is performed, your body burns both carbohydrates and fat. But when you increase the aerobic or cardio intensity past a certain point for an extended period of time, the body actually switches into burning more carbohydrates and less body fat proportionately. Now, if your nutritional needs do not match your intensity, your body starts breaking down muscle for usable fuel. And that is the exact opposite of what you should be aiming for. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Well, wouldn't it lead to more weight loss and quicker results? While this may look good from a bathroom scale perspective, I assure you that it is detrimental to the ability to achieve permanent weight loss. That's because if you lose muscle, you lose your ability to burn calories. With less muscle, you burn fewer calories. It's just that simple. So, what am I getting at? The primary exercise prescription for permanent weight loss through body fat reduction must include a form of weight training, resistance training, or strength training. Now, I know there are some of you out there, particularly women, who seem to think that their muscles grow like weeds and are actually afraid of gaining size or becoming too masculine, while men usually can't get enough muscle and wish that they did actually grow like weeds. Now, I can assure you that it's not as easy to gain muscle as you think. Losing body fat is easy, while gaining muscle is much more difficult. Now, with all this talk of muscle, you may be wondering what advantages having more muscle will bring apart from being stronger. I mean, let's face it, how often are you going to be required to lift a 200-pound object? Apart from increasing strength, building muscle plays an essential role in controlling body fat. Yes, if you want to lose body fat, and more specifically keep it off forever, you need to perform muscle building exercises such as weight or resistance training. This allows your body to burn more calories so that less excess calories remain to be stored, usually in the form of body fat. You see, muscle is a vital component in your body's furnaces. Basically, the more muscle you have, the more furnaces you have operating and burning energy or food. Given the fact that the average person who strength trains typically gains about 3 to 5 pounds of muscle mass over the period of 3 to 4 months, the net caloric effect of such training regimen is very modest, only 15 to 30 calories per day. Now, that might not sound too motivating, but keep in mind that is all extra calories being burned while at rest. If you were to decide to burn 15 to 30 more calories per day or not, wouldn't you still choose to burn it? I mean, I would. Over time, this really adds up. That's up to 900 more calories burned per month, or 10,800 more calories burned in a year. And that's only from 3 to 4 months of resistance training. Imagine what an entire year would do for you. That's a lot of extra body fat gone simply by building and preserving your muscle mass. On top of this, your body burns calories during what is referred to as afterburn. When you exercise, you throw your body into a form of chaos. Once the workout is over, your body expends or burns calories to get itself back into pre-exercise state. This all results in more calories being burned throughout the day. But remember, strength training offers the body many more benefits than just increasing caloric burn. It helps you improve your appearance, change your body composition, remain strong and independent, decrease joint pain, strengthen your bones, prevent loss of lean body mass that occurs from aging, improve coordination and balance, improve your athletic performance, may help prevent injuries and other health-related benefits, which even go as far as condition the heart and the respiratory system. The bottom line is, a well-rounded exercise regimen consisting of both cardio and strength training will inevitably allow you to have better control over your body fat, allowing you to eat more and still stay lean. Yes, you'll be able to eat more, stay lean, and feel great. Now that we established how exercise actually accelerates your weight loss, how do you choose an exercise routine that best fits you? What have you done in the past? What did you enjoy? What have you seen your body respond to well in the past? How is your fitness level now? If you haven't worked out in years, you probably don't want to jump right into an extremely intense routine. First, it's important to determine your experience and current fitness level. But now you should have taken the PAR-Q and fitness assessment. This will help determine your fitness level. Once you take the fitness assessment, it will recommend a pre-designed routine for you to follow to get you started. This routine will definitely aid in accelerating your weight loss and increasing your strength. You may decide you want to do a different routine other than the pre-designed one recommended for you based on your current level of fitness ability. You may want a more customized routine that best fits you. So how do you decide what style best fits you? After defining your goal, it's important to understand which program fits the sort of exercise you can see yourself enjoying the most. Now, especially in the beginning to get you started. Now, I know what some of you are probably thinking. What? Enjoy it? Well, trust me. As you get used to exercising, it can actually become something that you look forward to. And let's be honest, you probably don't look forward to going to work every day, but you do it anyways, right? Well, exercise is no different. It's something that just needs to be done. So do you like kick or dance cardio routines, or do you prefer boot camp style approach? Do you like lifting weights or resistance bands, or do you prefer to use your own body for resistance? Pick something you can see yourself actually doing without getting bored along the way. Because when it comes to exercise, consistency is what matters most. The final step in creating an exercise routine before getting started is to schedule it into your daily calendar. You must schedule it into your life as a must-do each day, just like going to work, going to school, or even brushing your teeth. It's something you do because it has to be done. It's not something you even question. Once you decide to make this a priority in your life, many positive changes will begin to occur. Changing body composition and reducing body fat are just a couple of them. So now that you know how to get started, get out of your chair, get out from behind your computer screen, and get moving in some way, shape, or form. There's no better time to start your new exercise routine than right now.